welcome back to my channel. My name's Anika, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. Today I'm gonna be doing a senior pictures. Get ready with me, so keep on watching. I know I look crazy, but I did my hair. It's like in C-rods, so y'all will see the end result. But I already primed my eyes and set it. Let me show y'all what I used. To prime my eyes, I used the Becca Butterscotch shade concealer, and then I used the Maybelline Fit Me powder in translucent. So now we're gonna get started with eyeshadow, and I'm gonna take the Morphe palette, and I'm pretty sure y'all already know what the Morphe palette looks like. I'm gonna show y'all, but I'm gonna take these two shades right here, and then I'm just going to like put it in the crease, I guess, and then just blend. And I'm gonna blend, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what I'm working with. I'm thinking about just leaving it like this because you want it to look natural, but I'm like, should I add a little shimmer? I don't know. Do y'all see this pimple right here? Okay. Okay, so I'm a little subset. I'm just gonna do like a little, not like too much. So I'm gonna dip into the shade. Okay, so I kind of added like a little. It's not like intense, so that's good. Don't want it to be too intense. And then I'm done with eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna move on to like, oh no, wait, what else? Mascara. I think I gotta move, y'all. I'm not sure. Anyways, so I'm gonna use the Rimmel Shake It Fresh mascara and the Better Than Sex mascara. So I'm gonna apply those. On this side, so you know, like the lashes on, I don't know if y'all can hear that, the lashes on this side of my eye are like way more full than this side. So I'm just gonna use a little of the Better Than Sex mascara, just a little, because it does clump your lashes. Okay, so I got a little under my eye. These glitter specks all over my face, and I don't know where they came from. Like, even before I had put on the shimmer shade, they were just there. Okay, so I'm gonna attempt to bronze. So I'm gonna use the Too Faced Sweetie Pie bronzer. Take this Naked Skin Urban Decay highlighting fluid, and I'm gonna just dot. So since that is on as my base or whatever, I'm gonna take the Anastasia Amrezy, however you say it, highlighter. It's actually my first time using the Anastasia. Like, I got it for Christmas, but I just never got around to it. I do have a mirror over here in case y'all wondering, like, what is she looking at? So for the pimple, I'm gonna use this Clarosol thing. It's like a tinted thing that's supposed to help with acne. So I'm gonna just put like a little on it, and then I'm just going to blend, 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 blend. Okay, it looks way better. That's so much better than before. Okay, well, we'll see how this turns out. The last thing I'm gonna do is set my face with this face mist, I guess. Literally, I just realized that I didn't use a lip gloss. I'm gonna use this Too Faced Jordan Woods lip gloss. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna try to unravel this. So I'm gonna do this in like a time lapse, so it's not gonna be like as slow, I guess. So this is what it looks like. Obviously I'm gonna like rake through it because we're not in the 80s. Okay, so I fluffed it out and this is what I'm getting. I'm actually like living for this because I want to cut my hair, but I'm like, how will I look with short hair? And